I want to see you do that big jump again.
Yeah.
Are you gonna hit that big jump again?
Yeah.
All right, hit it. Go this way and then turn around. You gotta go all the way by the house and turn around and get All right, Lincoln. Big jumps right there. Look at that.